Hello, I'm Jenny Walker and I'm a soprano, which is the highest type of female operatic voice. And I work for Welsh National Opera as a vocal animateur, which is somebody who goes into schools and community places and helps people to engage with singing and hopefully have a good time. I would like to do a little tongue twister with you, and the words are floppy, fluffy puppies. That's floppy, fluffy puppies. Just see if you can get your mouth around that. One more time. Floppy, fluffy puppies. Okay, we are going to sing it 5 times and we're going to come down the scale as we do that. So we're going to start like this. Floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies. Okay, let's give that a go together. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies. Fantastic. Now, if you're anything like I was the first time that I did that tongue twister, you just got yourself in a right mess with all of those words, particularly the f and p sounds, which really want to swap places with each other. So I'd like you to concentrate really hard on using this part of your body for making the sound p, p, p. Really get those lips moving. P, p, p. And when you say f, 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 can you think a bit lower and see if you can get your belly working? You know when you've been laughing and it really hurts because you've laughed so hard, the same bit of your body, that's the bit we need for f, f, f. Have a go. F, f, f. Fantastic. So now we'll have floppy, fluffy puppies. Really clear. Let's see if we can do that 5 times. Here we go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies. Fantastic. Hopefully that was a little bit clearer and a bit easier this time. So we're going to go a little bit faster and just a little bit higher as well. So instead of starting on this note, we're going to start on this note. 1, 2, 3. Floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies, floppy, fluffy puppies. Brilliant. Thanks for joining in. If you've enjoyed yourself, why not try some of our other warm-up videos?